Hi, it's Evelyn here, extending a warm welcome to you all to this new episode of TV Daijiworld.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza of Mangalore ordained 7 deacons as priests. 49th annual celebrations of Ganesh Natak Sabha held at Town Hall. Lancy Constructions gets prestigious ISO certificate. And in our entertainment part, we have Konkani singing by Bantwal Group at Konkani Nirantari. News in detail. Mangalore is considered to be Rome of the East. Priests and religious brothers and sisters who have Mangalorean roots are serving the Holy Mother Church all over the world. Despite strong a current of modernization, globalization, there has hardly been dearth of religious vocation in Mangalore Diocese. This was proved very true when Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza of Mangalore ordained 7 deacons as priests at Rosario Cathedral on Tuesday, April 15th evening. Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza of Mangalore ordained 7 deacons to serve Mangalore Diocese on Tuesday, April 15th evening. The ordination ceremony was held at Our Lady of Rosario Cathedral here in the presence of near and dear ones of newly ordained and hundreds of devotees.
Archbishop Mauro Piacenza to Romantल्या याजकी मंडळीचो एक जराल कार्यदर्शी मुंदरून तो म्हणालो जेजुनो निमाण्या ब्रेस्तरा दीस शिसांचे पाय धुले आणि शिसांक तो म्हणालो तुम्ही एकामेकाचे पाय धुयचय म्हणून या मुखांतर याजकी सेवेचे मणियरपण ताच प्रेरणान मुंदोरून वेता पवित्र सभेंत आणि एक याजक ताची सगळी जिणी त्याच सेवेंत मुंदोरून वचच्या खातीर समर्पित जाता. एक याजक तो आपणा खातीर न्हय या आपणाचोच न्हय म्हणटा आर्चबिशप तो लोकां खातीर आनी लोकांचो.
7 deacons were ordained priests on Tuesday are Brother Ajit Menezes, son of Victor and Selen Menezes from Modankap, Brother Jesudas de Costa, son of Carmine and late Joseph Saldana of Beltangadi, Brother Ritesh Rodriguez, son of Louis and Alice Rodriguez of Bijay, Brother Naveen Prakash Pinto, son of Vincent and Cecilia Pinto of Shambur, Brother Joseph Uday Fernandez, son of Hilda and late Philip Fernandez, Brother Alfred Ryan D'Souza, son of Joseph and Magdalene D'Souza, and Brother Melvin Norona, son of Lena Norona and late Peter Norona.
पवित्र आत्म्याचे शक्तीन मागलो क्रिस्ती परजा पवित्र करूंक आनी देवाक बलिदान भेटोवपाक तोच सोमी तुका सांबाळ्ळो. ताच्या बापान पवित्र आत्म्याचे शक्तीन मागलो क्रिस्ती परजा पवित्र करूंक आनी देवाक बलिदान भेटोवपाक तोच सोमी तुका सांबाळ्ळो.
Mangalore Diocese Vicar General Monsignor Dennis Morris Prabhu, Jeppu Seminary Rector Father Victor Machado and several other diocesan priests, nuns and religious brothers and sisters were present on the occasion. K.N. Taylor is synonymous with Tulu theatre. He has given a new dimension to Tulu plays. But now he is on the verge of creating another stupendous record. He has successfully completed 49 years as the president of Ganesh Natak Sabha. This is indeed a record that a single person has been at the helm of an organization for half a century. A special celebration to mark the 49 successful years of Ganesh Natak Sabha was organized at Town Hall in Mangalore on Tuesday, April 15th evening. A special program was organized to mark the 49th annual celebrations of Ganesh Natak Sabha. Speaking on the occasion, renowned Tulu theatre personality Sanjeev Dandakeri applauded K.N. Taylor, who has been the hem of Ganesh Natak Sabha for the last half a century.
ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಘ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಒರಿದುಪ್ಪೆರಾವು 75 ವರ್ಷ ಒರಿದುಪ್ಪೆರಾವು ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಘಡು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಒರಿಯೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಒರಿಯೇ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಐತ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜನ ಪೆರ್ಲಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಐತ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರ 5 ಬಲ್ಪಿನ ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷ KN ಟೈಲರ್ ಮಲ್ತದಿರ ಬಣ್ಣಗ ಅವು ನಿಜವಾದಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಒಂಜಿ ಸಾಧನೆನೆ ಅವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಲ ಅಂಚಿನ ಉಪ್ಪುನು ಬಾರಿ ಅಪರೂಪ ಅಂಚಾದ ಇತ್ತನಂಡ ಅವು ಗಣೇಶ್ ನಾಟಕ ಸಭಾ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತ ಪಣ್ಣರಾಪುನು.
The special Tulu musical program, which lasted for almost an hour too, was organized as part of the celebration. Noted singers Ravindra Prabhu, Anita Samson and others enthralled the gathering with their impeccable singing.
మనసు ఎన్నిన కనటు బతికిన అతెలియాన కనుక మనసు ఎన్నిన కనటు బతికిన అతెలియాన కనుక ఆహాహా ఏహే ఓహో లా లా ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸೆಂಕು ತೆರಿಯಂದ ಪೋವ ಮನಸೆಂಕು ತೆರಿಯಂದ ಪೋವ ಆಸೆ ಬಿದೆ ಈ ಕಾಪು ಪಿಂಗಾರ ಪೋವ ಕಾಪುನ ಪಿಂಗಾರ ಪೋವ ಎನ್ನ ಮಾಮಿನ ಮಗಲ್ ಮೀನನ ಎನ್ನ ಮಾನಿನ ಮಗಲ್ ಮೀನನ ಆಜಾಗೆಡು ನೆನಪು ನಿನ್ನ ಎನ್ನ ಮಾಮಿನ ಮಗಲ್ ಮೀನನ ಆಜಾಗೆಡು ನೆನಪು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ಇತ್ತಿದ ಕಲ್ಲಾಯನ ಬಾಯಿತ್ತಿದ ಬಾಯಿ ಬರಂದಿ ಭಗವಂತನ ಕಣ್ಣಿತ್ತಿದ ಕೈ ಇತ್ತಿದ ಕಲ್ಲಾಯನ ಬಾಯಿತ್ತಿದ ಬಾಯಿ ಬರಂದಿ ಭಗವಂತನ ದೇವರ ಪಂಕ್ತಿ ಪುದರ್ ಮಾತ ನಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಂತನ ದೇವರ ಪಂಕ್ತಿ ಪುದರ್ ಮಾತ ನಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಂತನ.
Lancy Constructions is a big name in Mangalore's real estate sector. The small firm, which started in 1973 with few employees, has grown leaps and bounds over the years. It boasts of 25 engineers, 150 supervisors and over 2,000 employees who earn their daily bread from here. The firm owns all the modern equipment to put up huge complexes and skyscrapers without delay. It is another feather in its cap now, as it has obtained the ISO 9001-2000 certification from Percy Johnson, USA. Lancy Constructions, established in 1973 under the leadership of Lancy Mascarenhas, built up its reputation associating with diversified clientele on the pillars of reliability, resourcefulness, timely completion and quality construction both within the state as well as neighbouring Goa and Kerala states. The small firm, which started in 1973 with a few employees, has grown leaps and bounds over the years. It boasts of 25 engineers, 150 supervisors and over 2,000 employees who earn their daily bread from here. The firm owns all the modern equipment to put up huge complexes and skyscrapers without delay. They are the first locals to own a ready-mix concrete plant in Mangalore. The presentation ceremony of ISO 9001-2000 to Lancy Constructions was held at the Milagros Hall on Sunday, April 13th evening. Father Godfrey Saldana, parish priest of the Rebel Church, was the chief guest. Lancy Mascarenhas, managing partner of Lancy Constructions, was felicitated for obtaining the ISO certificate. Former MLA J. Krishna Palemar and Dakshina Kannada District Congress Committee Vice President Ivan D'Souza were the guests of honor. Bishop Aloysius Paul de Souza of Mangalore presided over the function. The bishop, while handing over the certificate to Lancy Mascarenhas, appreciated his deeds and services rendered to the Catholic community.
The most prestigious award, ISO 9001 to 2000 certificate for quality construction that he has, which has been recognized by United States. And therefore, on behalf of all of you present here, I want to congratulate Sri Lancy Mascarenhas for this great award that has been presented to him by Perry Johnson Registrar's Company.
Lancy's wife Jacinta Mascarenhas, daughter Nichelle and son-in-law Ruben were present on this occasion. Although there are a couple of promoters and builders in Mangalore who have achieved the ISO certification, Lancy Constructions is the only full-fledged construction company in Mangalore to achieve this certification. Way to go, Lancy, kudos. With this, we take a short break from Daiji Global Pan Vision. When we come back, we have melodious singing at Konkani Niruntari.
Apurva for Aptland.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
Inland Builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.